What's going on, everyone? Brian Manowitz, the vegan black metal chef in my mortal form here.
Introducing the Veggie fiends.
I'm going to be doing an entire series on different supermarkets that I shop at and what do I get in them. So what do I get at Asian stores? What do I get at Indian stores? What do I get at regular grocery stores? What do I get at a specialty grocery store like Whole Foods?
Hold on a second. This is 2018. You can find these in pretty much any grocery store.
This will hopefully give you an idea of not only what I get, but why I get it. What kind of things am I thinking about making when I buy an individual thing? You're also going to get a different perspective from a special guest each time because guess what? We're not all the same. We don't all buy the same things.
No shit, right?
So let's go ahead and begin. First, we have some vegan cheeses. It doesn't matter what brand you get. Daiya is good for lots of different multi-purpose things. They honestly kind of revolutionized the vegan cheese industry. When I get some Daiya shreds, I'm really thinking of a multitude of things. I'm thinking everything from vegan mac and cheese, quesadillas, enchiladas, vegan pizzas, to chili cheese fries. It's cheese shreds. I'm not going to go that deep into it. One thing I'll say is that I personally don't like the taste of these just on their own. I like to process them like in the nachos and tacos episode.
Go watch it. It will change your life forever.
Then it makes one of the most unbelievable cheese sauces you will ever imagine. Next, we have the Whole Foods 365 bean and rice burrito. This is all about the convenience food to me. I'll keep a couple of these in the freezer when I don't really want to cook. I'll keep a couple of these in my music studio for a quick meal. You can do a lot to enhance the taste of these. Even just mixing some vegan mayonnaise with some sriracha and dipping it in there is really amazing.
Oh yes, dip it in me.
These could be a great side even to a meal. Super easy and only about $1 and change. Next, we have some Beyond Meat chicken strips. Now, this is gonna be sort of my placeholder in general for if I'm gonna get some Beyond Meat things, if I'm gonna get Gardein, Beyond Burgers. These definitely start to get in the pricier range. These increase the price per meal.
$4 or $5 isn't that bad, cheapskate.
Know what I'm thinking? Beyond Meat chicken strips, for example. I'm thinking about making the pasta Alfredo. I'm thinking about making some jambalaya. I'm thinking about adding these to a stir fry.
Yummy Alfredo fat sauce.
Here we have the Whole Foods 365 brand vegan hot dogs. These are absolutely awesome, but my Whole Foods just stopped carrying them, so I got these other vegan hot dogs. When I think about vegan hot dogs in general, then I think about, of course, just eating them as a vegan hot dog, sauteing some onions, some bell peppers, putting them on a really good bun.
Bun doesn't have to be that good. Just cook it up and make it happen.
When I'm thinking vegan hot dogs, I'm thinking vegan chili dogs. I'm thinking about even just cutting these things up and using them as a vegan meat in a quinoa bowl or a rice bowl or something of that nature, with just some sauteed vegetables, the cut up hot dogs as a convenience. I'm thinking beanie weenies. Just take these, cut them up into bits, and cook them with your baked beans that you're cooking at the same time.
You don't even have to be from the South to like it.
So let's hear from my awesome guest Vanya on different things that she gets and what works with her lifestyle.
Hey guys, welcome to Vanya's Vegan Voyage. Today I want to share with you what does a vegan person eat in order to get their protein, because as we all know, when you tell somebody that you're a vegan, the first question out of everybody's mouth is, but where do you get your protein from?
So much protein! Gotta get all the protein!
All of a sudden everybody turns into nutritional experts. Hope you got the tickets to this gun show. One of the cool things that I would suggest would be high protein tofu. And this little baby has 15 grams of protein per serving. Cool thing about tofu is that it takes on the taste of whatever you put on it.
Do I really have no personality or taste of my own?
So if you want to do like an Asian stir fry, you can do that. If you want to do like an Indian style of dish, you can do that. If you want to use it in a stew, in a soup, you can do that. However you want to make it. All right, so the next thing that I love to do would be garbanzo chickpeas, right? So cool things about this is you can use it in a salad, you can make hummus out of it, you can put it in a stew, or just any other type of things in terms of, you know, adding a little bit of a nutty flavor.
Most of you all on the internets don't need to be any more nutty.
One of the things that I would highly suggest when you're cooking garbanzo beans or chickpeas is to pre-soak them unless you're getting them from from a can. And this little baby comes at 7 grams of protein per serving, which is absolutely awesome.
Well, hello there. I think you're pretty awesome too.
And it's a very versatile food as well. In addition to chickpeas, I also love to do lentils. Lentils are absolutely awesome. They have, this particular one has 12 grams of protein per serving, and they're very cheap.
I got that protein you want right here for nothing.
This bag is about $2, I think. And this is one of my main staples because it tastes so good. And just like with garbanzo beans, you can make it into soup or stew or add it to other vegetables or put it over a salad. I made some lentils today, or any sort of beans. You know, you could do black beans, pinto beans, whatever. You can make it into a stew or make it into a burger patty. All of those options are very, very awesome. But if you're somebody who does not cook, like I would suggest this Tofu Scramble. It has 22 grams of protein per this package, and it is absolutely amazing.
Or learn to make one yourself by watching this video right here.
The next thing that I would suggest would be this Beyond Meat burger patty. This thing is, this looks like actual meat patties. Creeped me out at first, but oh my goodness, the taste is actually unbelievable. It has 20 grams of protein.
That's right, bow down before your vegan meat god.
And very, very low carbs, only 6 grams of carbs for this. About $5 for the package, so about $2.50 per patty. Very worth it and super easy to make. I just pop it in the oven while I'm getting ready. In the morning, I add some vegetables, and then by the time I'm ready to go to work, I just take it out, put some avocado over it, put it on a bed of lettuce, and it's an awesome, awesome meal. For the holidays, if you are having people come over, how about trying meatless meatloaf instead of a dead animal on a plate, right?
Yeah, dick.
And it has 20 grams of protein per serving, and it's only about $4 a bag, so this is an awesome option. They even have beefless ground. So what you could do with this is you can add it to a stew, you can add it to like macaroni and cheese. This is really awesome. It has 18 grams of protein. And what I do is I like to put this along with quinoa or black rice and mix it together and then put it in hollowed out pepper and then stick it in the oven and bake it and put some smoked Gouda cheese, vegan of course, on the top, have it melt all in, and it makes for an unbelievable meal.
Oh, holy crap. That sounds amazing. Keep going.
Tell everyone below in the comments what do you like to get at specialty stores and why, so that it gives other people inspiration as they read through the comments. Thanks a ton, and I'll see y'all next time.